The team asked what changes rental businesses needs to do to go to the greener future. Well, my take would be three things. The very first is stop using the hardwares which you are installing to your devices, rather move towards more of smart car technologies where the cars are connected and you're getting all your data of your vehicle and protect your assets by doing the immobilization mobilization. The second point I would suggest is stop using the pen and paper to capture the damages, making lots of notes on paper, which ideally is not giving you any insights about your business. Better is go digital, use the softwares which are making your life much more easier and drawing more contextual information for your business via these notes. Use the tools which are making your life easy in terms of capturing the damages. And the third point is identifying and choosing the right asset for you. It could be EV vehicles, it could be the hydrogen engine vehicles. There are certain companies who are working on such projects to make the planet greener. So these are three pointers which I would suggest from my experience from mobility industry that individuals or the group of companies should take into consideration to be a greener future. Thank you.